If your iOS 26 call screening is not working, here are 9 easy ways to get things back on track. These simple steps can help you fix iOS 26 call screening issues without any technical expertise needed. Fix 1. Enable call screening in settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Step 2. Select Phone, then scroll to the Screen Unknown Callers section and choose Ask Reason for Calling. Fix 2. Check your region and language settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, General Language and Region. Step 2. Set the region to United States and the language to English. Step 3. Restart your iPhone and check if the issue with Screen Unknown Callers in iOS 26 is resolved. Fix 3. Disable third-party call blocking apps. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Phone. Step 3. Select Call Blocking and Identification. Step 4. On the next screen, you'll see a list of apps that have permission to block or identify calls. Turn off the toggle for any third-party apps listed here. Fix 4. Turn off low power mode. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Battery. Step 3. Find low power mode and toggle it off. The switch will turn gray, indicating it's disabled. Fix 5. Force quit and restart the phone app. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. On iPhones with a home button, double press the home button instead. Step 2. Locate the phone app in the list of recently used apps. Step 3. Swipe up on the phone app card to force close it. Step 4. Return to the home screen and reopen the phone app. Fix 6. Restart your iPhone. If force quitting and restarting the phone app doesn't work, you can try restarting your iPhone. This can refresh system processes and clear temporary glitches. Fix 7. Update and reinstall iOS 26. Step 1. Go to Settings, General Software Update and install the latest version. Step 2. If the issue persists, back up your data and reinstall iOS 26 using iTunes or Finder. Step 3. After reinstalling, restart your device and check if the call screening feature is now working. Fix 8. Use iOS system recovery without data loss. If basic methods don't resolve the call screening issue on your iPhone, it may be due to deeper system problems. iOS system recovery is a reliable tool that can fix various iOS issues, including call screening not working, without erasing your personal data. Step 1. Install and launch iOS system recovery on your Windows or Mac computer. Connect your iPhone via USB and select iOS system recovery. Step 2. Click Start, and the software will begin detecting issues with your iPhone. Step 3. Choose your repair mode. Select your iPhone model from the list, and click Repair. Step 4. The software will download the necessary firmware to fix your iPhone. Once the download is complete, your iPhone will be restored to normal. Fix 9. Contact Apple support. If call screening on iOS 26 is still unavailable after trying all the fixes, the issue might be related to your device, region, or account. Contact Apple support for direct assistance. They can verify whether the feature is available in your area and offer advanced troubleshooting. If it's a known bug, Apple may already be working on a fix.